What makes this miracle plant so distinguishable? The ancient plant of immortality treats over 50 medical conditions. If your hair is damaged and in need of repair, implement this DIY aloe vera and coconut oil mask. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive a notification of a new DIY video. The aloe vera plant has been used over a millennia for its health, beauty, medicinal, and skin properties. In early Egypt, 6,000 years ago, aloe vera was being implemented in daily life, as depicted on the stone carvings. The Egyptians called aloe vera the plant of immortality. Egyptian queens Nefertiti and Cleopatra utilized aloe vera in their daily beauty regimens. It has been used widespread for medicinal purposes in several other cultures, like China, Greece, India, Japan, and Mexico. Benefits of aloe vera for hair. Antiviral and antibacterial properties for scalp. The proteolytic enzymes repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Reduces dandruff. Promotes hair growth. Prevents itching on the scalp. Acts as a conditioner to your hair. The structure of aloe vera is similar to that of keratin and rejuvenates the hair with its nutrients, preventing breakage and giving it more elasticity. The inner gel contains 99% water and other enzymes. One of the most crucial elements found in aloe vera gel is a complex carbohydrate, aspartame. It allows nutrients to reach the cells, nourish them, and relieve them of toxins. Aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. Materials needed: aloe vera leaf, coconut oil, large container, a small bowl, a sharp knife, a blender, separate bowl for aloe vera gel, a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, and an applicator bottle. How to make aloe vera gel and coconut oil hair mask. In a large container, add 2 cups of warm water. Then add a small bowl. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and set aside. Cut aloe vera leaf in half. Rinse under water. Dry off with a paper towel and cut the leaf in smaller sections. Slice the pointed edges off. Cut the pieces into halves lengthwise. Use a spoon and scoop the gel into a bowl. Avoid scraping the yellowish part of the pulp. It contains toxins. In a clean bowl of water, rinse the pulp, then add to the blender. Next, you want to add your melted coconut oil. Blend or pulse at least 30 seconds or to desired consistency. Now pour your mixture into the applicator bottle. Apply it from root to ends. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried this hair mask. Leave this mixture on for 30 minutes to an hour. Then rinse with cool water. To close your cuticle and style as desired. Want to see more uses with aloe vera for hair? Then subscribe to the channel. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.